Okay guys, we are live. Time is 9:17 a.m. Eastern. This is for the 5th day of Christmas. Go 3 times in the clubhouse. Good luck everyone. 9:18 a.m. Eastern. 1, 2, 2 times. 9:18 a.m. Eastern. Third and final random. Should be Rob. Sorry. Rob Shank, you won the 5th day. It is, gone 3 times, 9:18 a.m. Eastern. Over, it should have been Rob, sorry. Typo. Fix that. Congratulations, Rob. I have your address, so I'll get that out to you after the event's over, after Christmas. Congratulations. Day 6 is up, 9:19 a.m. Eastern, and yes, I have a lot of Amazon stuff coming in.